Buti present. Marami present.
Kita nakikita sa set of participants. Wala.
Kaka-start nyo lang
Miss
to?
Hyacinth,
Late man
Tekit.
nag-start?
Kaka-start lang.
Ma'am, lugar present nag-share po.
Okay. Jill.
Send pic.
Present, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
Miro, Miss Eunice.
Present po.
Okay.
Nauna man ako kay Miro.
Si Mr. Roel Maruas.
wala pa tinawag ng si Franca. Hello.
Jill man. Jill
Present po,
sinabi
ma'am.
niya.
Jill.
Di ba ako
Okay.
yun?
Oo.
Narinig mo ba? Jill yun, no?
Si
Wala ko
Miss
narinig
Nash
kung nagsabi Jill.
Palahudin.
Present, ma'am.
Oo, nagsabra na
Miss
sa akin.
Angel Naigar.
Ayan
Hindi
na.
siya,
M man
hindi siya
nauna?
alphabetical. Nauna nga yung si Nash.
Trisha.
Palaw din.
Trisha Lu.
Initial
Oh, nagbalik na
alphabetical.
naman
Present, ma'am.
parang hindi siya alphabetical. Kasi nagtawag sa akin.
Miss Roshan Perez.
Present po, ma'am.
A.
Fatima. Sabi.
Present po, ma'am.
Alisa.
Lisa.
Sad.
Present po, ma'am.
Si Miss Nika Senyo.
Present po, ma'am.
Miss Valerie Yu.
Present po, ma'am.
So, ang wala... Let me just verify again. Si Miss Rania Balading nandito.
Now.
Okay, si Miss Abdukadil present. So, ang wala is si Miss Aragon and si Miss Balading. Si Miss Nicole, maapoy. Wala. There are 20. Okay, including you perhaps. Never mind. So what we're gonna do? Yes, Miss Becky is present. Kita ko. What we're gonna do this afternoon is we're going to
Advance na kayo nito.
have breakout rooms. We're going to have
Uy.
breakout sessions.
Okay.
But you will have
Mukha
two
mismo yung breakout
breakouts
session?
as an
Sa
output
Teams.
for this afternoon.
Sa Teams?
I will post the question later. I will share a video material for you to watch. And after watching, I will post a question in relation to the video that was watched. And I will give you time to be able to write your answer to the question. Okay? So now I will share my video. Please comment if halimbawang hindi nyo naririnig. Wala kayong naririnig. Wait. Is this visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is just 5 minutes. So pakinggan ninyo ng maayos.
Daniel, makinig ka, Daniel.
Makinig nga ako.
First of all, thanks very much indeed for chatting to us today.
Delighted to be here. Thanks.
So we're all digital health people these days, aren't we? We're all wearing our watches, we've all got our devices. But what is digital health?
I mean, digital health is using digital tools to deliver healthcare, and it started with the electronic health record. Now it's AI tools and digital apps and all sorts of things, and there's a lot of promise, certainly for digital health. And I think we're going to see more and more promising tools coming to the marketplace.
What are some of the biggest innovations? What are some of the biggest changes that we've seen in healthcare, and particularly in psychiatric health?
Well, certainly as digital health changes the landscape, telemedicine has exploded. And because of the pandemic, we probably had 10 years of progress in 6 months through the adoption and use of telehealth in particular, and that has been a game changer for psychiatry. It's improved access, it's improved accessibility. In the US, we've got pandemic flexibility extensions through the end of calendar 2024, And in my role as president of the AMA, we're continuing to push for those flexibilities to be permanently extended.
Recording in progress.
Access to telepsychiatry and other telehealth platforms, hopefully for the long run.
So what
Nag-record.
about data? I mean, we must be
Baka
pretty
si
good
ma'am.
now at using data, at storing data. So how does data come into this?
We've gotten better. We're not there yet. Obviously, a lot of the algorithms, the promising AI tools are all fed and rely on data. And having data standards, making sure that data is interoperable, is a core piece of the AMA's digital strategy to make sure that these tools actually work for patients and physicians. But even if you look at an important space like the social determinants of health, we talk about it all the time, but the data standards around how do you know if a patient has housing insecurity? How do you know if this patient has access to refrigeration for medications that they might need at home? Right now, we still don't have clear, consistent documentation fields in our electronic health records. So we're working with the Gravity Project as one way to try to bring those standards forward to improve how we collect data and then ultimately how we can use it.
One of the other issues with data, though, isn't it safeguarding data? Is that a big issue?
You know, there's a lot of concern, particularly with the huge cyber attack on United Healthcare, Change Healthcare, which probably a third of all Americans' healthcare data has been exposed, about how do we truly keep patient privacy and how do we make sure that we protect from cybersecurity. There is no answer to that, and I think we have a lot of anxiety to make sure that we protect particularly sensitive details from a patient's health record.
What about AI? Every conference, every meeting I go to, everybody wants to talk about AI. So how does AI affect digital health?
We are at the peak of the hype curve. We are in an AI era. It is everywhere. I can't go an hour without asking about ChatGPT or large language models. AI is going to be helpful. It is used in 40% of practices in the US today, but it's not the sexy stuff. It's supply chain management, it's billing, it's scheduling, it's those back-end office operations where if there is a mistake, it's not the end of the world. The clinical applications, the therapy chatbots, the prescribing decision support tools, those things are coming. What they will mean for practice, I don't know, but I do know one thing. AI will not replace psychiatrists, but psychiatrists who use AI will replace those who don't.
Yeah, it's a pretty bold statement, though, to say that AI won't replace psychiatrists, isn't it? How do we know that?
So it's clear to me that when I'm sick, when I'm hurting, I want a person to be able to touch my shoulder, to be on the other end of directing my care. And computers will never replace that. We know that there's something so foundational about the profession and the practice of medicine, about the humanity that we bring in the care that we deliver.
Our last question is, I want to encourage you to look into a crystal ball, Jesse, and I want you to tell me, what do you see the biggest innovations happening over maybe the next 5 years?
Scalability. So we have a health
Ano? Scalability?
crisis.
Oh,
There's a crisis
scalability.
in psychiatry, there's a
Ata?
crisis in behavioral health, there's a crisis in all of healthcare.
Si Ayrton.
Million Americans do not have access
Mike
to primary
Newton.
care. 125 million Americans do not have access to behavioral health services. The only way we're going to solve this is not by opening 1,000 new medical schools. That will never happen. It's only by leaning into technology to scale the capacity of our existing care teams by augmenting and boosting our capabilities.
Well, thank you very much for joining us today.
Pleasure.
Fascinating stuff. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, so was everyone able to listen in to the video presentation?
Ano yung sa last? Uy, wala na ako nakinig sa last.
Di ko alam. Mabili.
Napakinggan niyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope
Scalability.
everyone was able to catch up on the video that was shared. So basically, what the person in the video was saying, he was talking about digital health resources of the future when it comes to clinical practices in healthcare. So there was mention of big data and AI, and I know that you are already oriented with these things after the weeks that have preceded, talking about the different health resources, digital health materials that are available to health practitioners, even to students such as yourself. So now, what I want to be able to find from this session is how deeply you were already able to reflect on digital health resources. So I will be posing a question. I will post it in our chat box, so you can refer to the question. And I need you to come up with a written output from this.
Okay.
Stay online because after this written output, we will have our breakout session. Now I will pose the question, and the question is, what are the main challenges individuals face in accessing and utilizing digital health resources effectively? Now, all the talks and all the presentation that we've had in the past weeks talk about the advantages of using digital health resources in aid of the nursing practice or the medical practice. But there are bound to be constraints. So these are the things that I want you to reflect on in this session. I want you to write a maximum of 100 words. No more than 100 ha. 80 to 100 words. 100 words tops. I want you to write your answers to this question. I will give you 30 minutes to do that. If possible, please write it kung meron kayong nakalogin na kayo sa laptop ninyo and you have your Word file. Please write it in your Word file because you will be submitting this later on as a PDF. And
Tangina,
there is
ChatGPT.
a follow-up question after this, okay? So stay online. As it is, you are given 30 minutes to reflect on this question. Write your answer, no more than 100 words, not less than 80. Okay? And you will share this later in your breakout room session. Okay? So that's, what time is it now? It's 2:35 on my watch. So you will have 30 minutes. At 3:05, we will resume. Or if you're finished earlier, if kaya nyo in 20 minutes, then better. So maybe we'll try it at 20 minutes. I'll come back in 20 minutes and I will ask you kung nasaan na kayo sa inyong write-up.
Laka, nagalag
And if we're
M-Sword
done,
ko.
then we will proceed to our breakout session, okay? So stay online, answer the question that is posed.
Balagbag.
Yun, tapos nisend sa GC nyo yung tanong. I mean sa inyo.
Dito. Gusto mo magsama ka?
So nag-answer na ako ni ChatGPT ko na accessing and using digital resources. Blah, 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 blah.
Grabe, may answer na.
Answer na ako.
Huwag ako mag-chat GPT, feel ko mag-chat GPT ang iba. Or nag-chat GPT muna tayo.
Recording stopped.
Humanizer ko muna. Mga 3 beses ko humanize.
Okay.
96 naman to.
So bali yung tanong ni ma'am, basic lang pala, ano yung challenges para mag-access ng digital resources effectively?
Oo.
What the fuck?
May humanizer ka dyan?
Yung last time pa man ata to. Try ko. Send lang text. Maganda ata yung sa Quillbot humanizer, pero wala ko pa na-try.
Try ko na.
Maganda.
Wait, may, ano ba? Ano yung tawag? AI check? Ano yun?
AI checker? Oo.
Ano yung tawag doon? AI checker lang?
Yung ChatGPT 0 yung ano, yung pinakamalakas
AI detector?
Oo, AI detector.
Zero GPT?
Oo.
Ito?
Mm.
46.15%. Okay na ba ang 46? Or mataas pa?
Para sa akin, mga 2020, try ko na ulit to.
I-humanize mo ba to?
Kasi,
Excuse me. Sinend ko sa'yo ba yan? Nakita mo na?
oo, wait. Wait muna ko.
Tapos ka na, Dynan?
Wala pa. Wala pa ako this day.
Wala ka pa?
Ay, hindi. Tapos na pala ako week. Sorry. Tapos na pala ako this week.
Talia? Naiman?
What?
Open mic na yan.
Ni Cyril yun, no? Nagulat ako kasi isip ko sa bahay si Cyril. Ito, 0 na siya. Pero ano siya, oh. Weird yung writings niya. A number of obstacles impede the effective utilization and obtainment of digital health resources. Malalim talaga yung ano.
Uli, malalim talaga.
Pero 0% siya. Pero hindi rin halata na tao gumawa.
Tingin nga.
Oh, nakalagay dyan, oh. AI GPT, 0%. Your text is human written. Pero may tao ba nagasalita ganyan? Grabe na
Sabi
yan.
na ang impede. Ano
Kaya nga.
impede?
Ano na lang, oh. Maghanap lang tayo synonym. Pero hindi siya ma-detect. Hindi rin ma-detect ng tao.
Lampas naman to 100?
Alam pa siya 100. Wala ko na ano pansin. 100% talaga yung sa akin. Kabe na. Saya, Cyril. Cyril, ano naman yan?
Oo.
Warningan yan siya ni ma'am ngayon. Talia.
No, 100% man?
Sa'yo?
Hindi. Wait. Eto, 0% talaga yung sa'yo. Naging 100% pa yun, yung humanize ko ulit.
No.
Ano impede?
Basta parang nag-halt yan. Hindi siya nag-progress. Negative, negative. Stop the progress.
In-
Parang ganun.
Interfere na lang.
Interfere.
Interfere
Oh,
with.
yun.
Change ko lang siya. Yun lang walang na-feel ko na parang malalim
The lack
talaga.
of appropriate hardware, poor internet connectivity, and incompatible compatibility serves as barrier to access. Saan daw i-submit?
Ha?
Saan daw i-submit?
Sa PDF lang daw. Ewan ko, i-download daw to as PDF.
Okay, okay.
Bakit ka, mag-submit na din?
Hindi, sa isip ko, yun na nga. Gagi na, ano talaga ako, na-immerse talaga ako. Akala ko mag-submit rin ako. Puta na.
Mag-submit yan.
Kalimutan
Clark.
na sit-in lang pala.
Valorant muna kami.
Ha?
Valorant muna kami. Saan si Clark?
Eh, ako na mag-submit kay Clark. Meron na ako dito.
Data, imbis data nalagay ko.
Na.
Lagay ko na lang ang question. Chat mo daw si Clark Bay, saan siya?
Online man siya, di ba? Bago lang.
Online siya sa Discord. Hindi siya online sa Discord. Oh. Baka naka-cellphone lang siya.
Napag sa cellphone yun to.
Mag man ako billiard. Gama.
Ano? Wala.
Nantok talaga ako. Sobra. Grabe kasi busog. Naubos niya.
Oo, ubos man.
Busog ka.
Busog. Pero kaya pa kumain. Sabi namin ni Clark, kaya pa namin magkain yung isa-isa. Isang chicken talaga. Plate. Kaya wala na ba oras, kaya nakagda lang.
guys.
Na, sino naman yun?
Tapos na.
Si Ma'am
Kamusta
yun?
ang writing?
Si Ma'am nga.
Have you reached the ideal number of words? Okay na?
Tulog pa ako.
Is everyone good?
Yes!
Because I will assign you into breakout rooms. Kung okay na ang lahat.
Tulog.
Anyone not done yet? Kahit mag-react lang. Mag-raise lang ng hand. Sino pang wala? Okay, so I guess that settles it. Everyone is done with the questions. So now, I will be assigning you to breakout rooms. Wait lang ha.
Ako, nasa room na ako.
Nag-submit na kayo? Nag-send na? File?
Hmm.
Wala pa?
Hindi pa.
PDF.
Room 7 man ako.
Nag-breakout room na ata. Wala pa.
Sino kaya ka-room ko?
Share screen.
Mag-isa lang man ako.
Ah! Grabe na yan. Sa breakout rooms, ha? Room 7. Grabe na yan, ang sama.
Ay, si Cyril kasama ko.
Ah,
Oy, Cyril. Cyril, dormido. Di ko magang... Huy, wag ka mag-chat dyan!
Ooh, to everyone! Hello!
Uy, to everyone yan! Wag
Let's
ka mag-chat dyan.
baka para sa lahat talaga gusto niya sabihin. Ay hindi, kay sa'yo yan, gagi. Hala ka.
Oh, everyone, ah.
Hala
Hi, am I
ka.
audible to everyone?
Yep,
Ay, gago.
ma'am. Yes,
So
so.
what I want you to do is to discuss among your group members. Each of your answers. I want you to share. Each of you will have to share your answers. Do it within 15 minutes or less. Basahin nyo kung ano yung naisulat ninyo. Now, it is imperative for the other members to listen to the one who is sharing, because after this, I will be posting another question to which you will provide an answer as well.
Okay, another question.
Marinig kaya ako ni ma'am nagasalita?
Miss
Hindi ko alam. Cyril natin tawagan.
Miss Sally, Alisa
Ay, hindi.
Sally, you are not assigned a room.
Unmute me. How the hell ko siya marinig?
Hindi ko
Basta
alam.
pa marinig
Baka sa lahat lang ata yan si ma'am.
Marinig niya kaya ako?
Hindi ko
Nagasalita?
alam. Huwag na natin subukan.
Nagsalita ako kanina.
Malay, wala rin ako alam sa
Mr.
Zoom.
Rodin, please join your room assigned, your breakout room assignment.
Start na.
Ano daw yung tanong? Mag-share pa daw kayo ng answer nyo sa isa't isa.
Yeah. Hindi niya daw magamit mic. Paano
Nawala na?
siya mag-share?
One-way communication. Sign language tayo ngayon. Wala, nag-join si ma'am pero ano siya, like, overlord ba siya ba? Parang, nasaan siya everywhere, anytime. Chat. Tayo na lang mag-share yung answer ko. Joke lang. Accessing and using digital resources comes with barriers such as na
Mag-isa na lang ako.
Go Jill.
Hala ka. Ibang room na daw siya.
Na.
Ay. Mag-chat
Yan.
na ako.
Real partner yan.
Bakit yan? Paano yan?
Paano
Mag-isa
siya
lang
napunta?
ako.
Ano room number na siya? Huwag na yun. Pwede pa
Nag-leave
rin.
kasi siya.
Oo.
Mag-isa lang ako. Ma'am, mag-isa lang ako na room, ma'am. Ma'am. Mag-leave ba ako dito?
Kung
Mag-isa
makapasok
lang
ka
ako
rin sa
dito.
iba, huwag ka na mag-leave. Wala na yan. Room number 7 ngayon. Baka. Ay, ikaw. Pero ako hindi ako
Wait
mag-leave.
lang. Mag-chat na lang ako, ma'am.
Hindi ko.
Mag-isa lang ako dito. Ma'am, mag-isa lang ako dito. Kaya okay na to?
Ay, Saint, pasok ka dito. Lipat ka dito.
Nakikita kaya nila?
Makita
Everyone,
yung lahat to, everyone kasi.
Na ibang room na daw siya. Bilangguan niya. Mag-leave kaya ako?
Ay, baka yung ano yan, to everyone, ibig sabihin, sa room nyo lang talaga, pa rin. Malay. Ay, hindi, dyan pa rin kayong iba.
Dito, oh.
Malay.
Mag-leave na lang ako. Wala ako kasama dito.
Ikaw, Ichi. Close the stream. Abandon lahat. Sige daw, pagpasok mo, anong room ka na?
Bakit ako nandito?
Kaninong
Kay
room
ma'am.
ka na? Kay ma'am ka na?
Kasama ko si ma'am. Ano, kami ka-group niya.
Kayo ni ma'am
Si
kagrupo.
Nasrin, nandito man si Nasrin.
Ko. Nasrin.
Ginaano niya lang siguro. Gina-move niya.
Iiwan pala to si Cyril. Yun. May group ka na?
Wala
Wala.
pa. Tangina. Ma'am, mag-usap kaya ako? Nandito siya, oh.
Pwede.
Ayun,
Yes.
meron na. Join
Meron
4 na ako. Room 4.
Room 4. Sino kasama mo sa room 4?
Ewan ko. Nagsasalita na to sila. Ay, dito ako.
Sino?
Sa kanila.
Share screen. Sino yan? Sino mga
Hello?
taga ko? Room 4. Sino mga taga room 4?
Nagsalita na kayo. Wait lang, i-add ako ni ma'am. Mag-isa lang ako kanina sa room. Magsalita ako?
Sino
Send
dyan?
ko na lang. Wait lang. Ano ba yun? G-chat GPT ko. Ay, Jesus. Joke lang, joke lang. Hindi, yan. Nagsulat talaga ako. A number, makinig kayo. Wala ako nakinig sa inyo.
Sino dyan?
Wait, kasi... wait lang.
Yun.
Magsalita na ako, hello?
Sakto talaga. Kay Haya talaga siya napunta.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Number of obstacles interfere with the effective utilization and obtaining of digital health resources. The lack of appropriate hardware, poor internet connectivity, and incompatibility serve as barriers to access. Many people, especially those with poor digital skills, can find searching through electronic health records and credible medical sites for information very challenging. Data privacy and security issues, unwillingness to some digitize healthcare facilities, and the cost of subscription-based services also limit usage. It is necessary to enhance the digital health education, widen the bandwidth, and make available low-cost or free access to health databases. Telemedicine platforms are urgently needed to eliminate these barriers and promote better healthcare access and use. Yun nyo i-send?
Kung mag-chat ba dito, kayo lang ba makakita?
Hindi, kailangan hindi at sa everyone. Direct message.
Same lang man tayo at
I-direct message ko na lang sa inyo. Tatlo.
Lang.
Pwede mag-direct message. Wait. Nakikita nyo yung everyone to everyone, di ba? To everyone. Pindutin yung everyone, tapos direct message.
Okay. Daw. Chat.
Yan sa akin, guys. I-send nyo na lang din sa inyo para mabasa ko.
Okay. Kita mo Hyacinth?
Yeah.
Nakita ko na kay Hyacinth. Sinend niya sa akin. Mahaba man sa akin. Oh guys, hindi yan sa akin 100. Sa lumpas yan 100. Lumpas 100.
Okay na, na-send ko na. Hyacinth. Deal kay Valerie.
Kay Valerie, wala ko pa natanggap. Ay wait, ewan ko. Sinadya na ba sa akin? Wala pa. Hello, Valerie? Are you there?
Are you there? Dito na kay Valerie.
Wala pa sa akin nag-send. Ayan na, okay na. Thanks. Grabe, klaro talaga kay siya nagsulat, oh. I think one of... May I think shot eh. Valerie. Okay na yan. Yan lang ang kailangan ko. Thanks so much.
Ano na next gawin natin?
Mag-wait lang daw sa question ni ma'am.
Okay.
Mag-mute ka na, Hyacinth. Hoy, Hyacinth. Hyacinth.
Finally.
Ayan na, nag-mute na siya.
Recording in progress.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
How goes the sharing?
Tapos na po, ma'am.
Tapos na. So if you're done, please leave the breakout room and join the main session again.
Okay.
Recording stopped.
Okay, ma'am. Leave na. Dito na ako. Pabalik na ako dan. Buhay ka ba dan?
Ay, nakamute ako.
Nakamit ka?
Sinabi ako pero okay lang, wag na. Nag-end kasi siya, yung ano, pag mag-alis kayo sa room.
Yeah, nandito na ako ulit sa mainstream.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress. Recording stopped.
Recording.
Everyone in the meeting can see. Hala. They can see my messages.
Recording in progress.
Ano ba yan? Kanino pa yan?
Kaya nga, sino yan nag-ano?
Si ma'am yan, si ma'am.
Maloko-loko.
Oh, Dan.
Hmm?
Laro tayo, Dan.
Ano?
Terraria.
Recording stopped.
Balik na doon.
Pamiss mo ng Terraria. Ano ba mga malaro mo na game?
Wala lang, basta hindi FPS.
Minecraft?
Recording in
Oo,
progress.
nag-Minecraft tayo dati.
Nag-Minecraft ba tayo?
Oo. Sila Achilles Clark. Nag-end yun tayo, di ba?
Ah, oo. Nag-end pala tayo. Makamiss man yan. Ano ba yung ginagamit natin? T-Launcher?
At, oo. Pilancher pa yun.
Saan ba yung recording mo na? Yung
Mahulog.
na-
Umaywan talaga yun.
Makamiss man yan.
Ka. Naka-Terraria tuloy dahil doon.
O dahil ba yun doon? Nag-Terraria tayo?
Wala na ako gana maglaro.
Ikaw ba yung nahulog?
Oo. Malag
Saan
kasi
ba yun?
yung PC.
Na-record ko ba yun?
Okay, so I hope
Yes, ma'am.
everyone was able to share their individual answers. Now I will be posting a question. I will also would like you to answer kahit as comprehensive as you can. Share as much insight as you were able to pick up from your group mates during your discussion, and append this answer to your kung saan nyo sinulat sa document file where you wrote your answer to the first question. So, i-label nyo lang question number 1. And then question number 2, ito yung answer din. So, that's on the same file. So, for the names, you will put your name and the names of your team members. Kung kanino kayo room na na-assign at sino yung mga naging kasama ninyo during the breakout session, you will also write their names, list their names down on your document file. Okay? So this is the question. Do you agree with points made by your group mate? Why or why not?
Madali lang mo talaga to.
Okay? Just brief answers.
Akala ko mga mahirap
Kala
talaga.
ko, comprehensive pa sabi.
Sabihin nyo lang what in their answer you find agreeable, which one do you find disagreeable, sino ang nagsabi nung
Na.
point na yon. Okay? Just make it brief. Now, further instructions. After you're done writing your answer for item number 2, kung nag-agree kayo sa sinabi ng kasama ninyo or hindi, you will save that file in PDF and submit to this link.
Yun lang!
No later than 5 p.m. Okay? Because our class ends at 5 p.m. So you will also submit at 5 p.m. Okay? So start writing your answers now. For item number 2.
Tawa-tawa ka man.
Recording stopped.
Walang pala. Kala ko
Kala ko
yung sa
din,
number 2,
yeah.
may follow-up question. So, based on the answer given by your classmate, submit na pala yun. Okay na. Wala man reklamo kung madali lang yung pinagawa.
Boy, paano ba ako, boy?
Ano?
Ma-zero mo to?
Ma-zero. Okay, na-detect muna natin. Ano to? Na-detect na to siya?
Wala pa.
Okay, check na natin. Kailangan talaga.
Ano? Ilan?
99% yung ano.
Grabe na, 99.
Oops. Ayun.
Memorize ko naman ng ano nila, name nila.
Ito daw. Human na daw.
Human na yan.
Mm.
Brief lang man, okay na yan. Ano name ng file?
Yun na. Ano sa iba? Yung mga nakasubmit na, kung meron.
Wala pa nga.
Na.
Tapos na ako. Yeah, good team. Good team, good team, good team. Tapos na agad si Makarayan. Grabe.
Ano, nakasubmit na?
T-shirt lang talaga ang answer niya. Ikaw yun?
Mm.
Makay? Ay,
Tubig.
narinig ko man talaga yun. Parang ASMR.
Grabe, mainit. Mainit kasi wala kang aircon.
Okay, good. We already have our first four submissions. Si Miss Yu, Miss Makarayan, si Miss Naigar, and si Miss Abdulkadir.
Roblox tayo dan.
Hindi lang. Nilagay nyo yung group mates? Yung pangalan?
Ah,
Group mates?
bakit ka gumagawa ka?
Hindi. May ano lang.
Baka ganito din gawin ni para tapos ka na.
Oo. Saan yung group mates sa baba ng pangalan?
Sa taas lang man nilagay ko.
Okay.
Tapos hindi yan amo.
Oh,
Iba
iba yan.
pinagawa sa
Si
inyo.
Batak, si Ma'am sa inyo.
Pero connected laman baka yan lang din ito. Pass na ako.
Okay, okay.
Miss ko na mag-billiard. Bus ka na?
Oo. Gusto ko nga makita yung
Pass
drive.
mo na.
Pass ko na. Kaya nga, yung drive. Ah, sino yung...
Okay, so dumadami na yung nagsasubmit. For those who have already submitted their outputs, you may leave the chat room. Thank you for attending our afternoon session.
Ano sabi mo?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay na daw mag-alis. Pagtapos na nakasubmit.
Ma'am, okay lang po hindi naka-PDF form, ma'am.
Pansin ko nga, bakit hindi ka
Pansin ko nga.
sa'yo?
Yes,
Mag-resubmit ka na lang ulit in
As-
PDF.
Sige po, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye po.
Okay na. Tapos na. Yay. Para mag-leave.
Leave the meeting. Yun na.
Ay. Dined na lang muna ako, boy. Wait lang.
Okay.
Dined ka na muna din.
Tapos na ako nag-dined na.
Ay,
Hit
tapos
ko
ka na
na
pala.
week ko.
Okay. Never mind. Kailangan ko pa 1.8 tapos maglaro na ako.
Yay!
Ayoko kasi mag-cram. Gusto ko na ngayon parang reward system ko after ko mag-dined. Maglaro.
Oo.
Ay lang, mag-mute mo na ako.
Sige.